Morning everyone, John for Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily what sold video. These are the cards that sold on February 22nd, 2022. The 2 day. That was kind of neat. As you can see on the screen, 26 orders, $336, almost double the previous day. And on HIP, one postcard for $19.99. So a 1 day total, 27 orders, 356 bucks. Go ahead and get started here. This is Oakland, California, the Deck Trader Vic's Tiki Bar Restaurant. Those tiki people will pay up for tiki related stuff, and so I would price it high. I always have. I've done pretty well with tiki stuff. $24.99 for that card. Sold another one of those sailors hunting for subs with nudie pictures. $2.99. I think this is going to the United Kingdom. Christmas greetings. Old World Santa Claus. Walking Woods Gold Gilt. And that sold on a best offer of 20 bucks. Next, Waycross, Georgia, Cherokee Restaurant Interior to View. Linen, 1953. Sold for $6.25 on a best offer. Sold a couple more Arbuckle trade cards to the same person. Same buyer, bought several the other day. Came back and bought some more. This is Minnesota State Map and showing Industries, $12 best offer. And I got these at the DC Big Flea a year or so ago. Probably paid about 70 to 80 cents each. Here's another one for South Dakota State Map. I said Industries, just happened to be in the template I was using. Really not Industries. I guess hunting maybe. Anyway, $12 on a best offer, and I got this one. This is Mississippi State Map and sweet potatoes, and that went for $11 on a best offer. Next, South Dakota State Flower, and it's artist signed. Came in the auction lot from August of 2021, and $249. They actually bought two of them. Texas, this is Dallas Fort Worth Airport American Airlines lobby, so an airline airport interior. This is not from the Big Aviation lot. Those are on, in fact, you will see none of those on this store. It's on the other store, which next week I think it'll be 1 month already, and I'll do an update then. This was $9.99. Lincoln, Nebraska, bird's eye aerial view of city, 1940s. Actually 1937 down here. $6.74. Clifton Heights, Pennsylvania, Clifton Heights Firehouse. Took a best offer of $35. I think I had it up for $39, something like that. But yeah, $35. That's a nice sale there. Fenwick Island, Delaware, aerial view looking north from Maryland. I'm sure that's just jam-packed full of houses now. $5.99, and I gotta wonder if those ones right there on the beach are even still there. Yeah, $5.99. Looks like I have a couple of those. Savannah, Georgia, Bull Street, 1910s, Detroit Publishing. Barber pole there. $12.50 on a best offer. Indianapolis Motor Speedway, air view of racetrack, 1940s. Might be earlier. It says 40s, but kind of has the feel of a late 30s linen. Artist signed Cecily. Oh yeah, it's artist signed. Shad, the Flower Girl, Art Deco, missing the corner. saw it sold for $5.99. Yeah, $5.99. San Francisco Pacific Pan Expo Tower of Jewels. Real photo. $21 best offer. I think this is going overseas. They've not paid yet. Sold a whole bunch of the patriotic Uncle Sam Santa Claus. It would be for postcard shows and postcard week. This was, I sold, looks like I sold out of those, but I still have probably 30 of these. $2.99 for that one. Drag that off to relist it. This is another one. Uncle Sam, Santa Claus getting hauled off the White House grounds. Him playing baseball, walking through the snow, and driving a train, and that's it. One buyer, so what, got about five of them. So nice little order. This is Daytona Beach, Florida, Johnston's Coffee Shop. It's an ad card. I don't know what's going on in here. Given the time and date of this card, probably nothing good. $7.99 for that card. Arizona, this is Winslow, New La Siesta Motel, Route 66, 1950s chrome. $7.99 for that card. This is New Mexico. It's a cafe on Route 66. I don't even have it in me this morning to even try to pronounce. And I know that's an easy one. I've said it before. I just don't have it in me this morning. $7.99. This is Arizona Banner Dual View Greetings from Cherokee Village, Arkansas. There's that. $7.99. I once bought 2 huge boxes of, it was all these dual view banner greetings. I think I paid maybe 10 cents a card, and they've been selling consistently for the last 2 or 3 years. $7.99 for that card. Long Island, New York. This is Huntington War Monument entrance to cemetery. Same buyer bought these next 3. $8.50 on a best offer for that one. This is Long Island, Huntington, 1905 Main Street, and that was $12.25 best offer. And then Huntington, Long Island Memorial Library Soldiers Monument, best offer of $8. And next we have New York City Hudson River and Palisades, 1910, $7.99 for that card. And next, Buck Hill Falls, Pennsylvania, golfing, flaming fall foliage, $7. There's that one. You know, I watched one of my videos back yesterday, and I never realized how loud the mouse click and moving the mouse. So I apologize for that. I never realized that, and I can't. It's a cheap mouse. I can't silence it. But yeah, I just realized that. So hopefully that doesn't bother anyone. This is Arlington, Texas. This is the Arlington Stadium, home of Texas Rangers baseball. I probably have about 100 of these. Got them in the auction of last year and sold for I think a best offer $2.50, I think, on that. And Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, aerial view, Three Rivers Stadium, Steelers, Pirates. That's been torn down. I think it's PNC Park now, somewhere in here. $2.49 auction of 2021, and that's it. That's all I have of these. Last card on eBay: St. Patrick's Day man, top o' the morning to you. Artist signed clap saddle. There's her signature. Kind of has a Alfred E. Newman look to him. $7 best offer. One sale over on HIP. Advertising postcard, Alfred Brothers Steam Laundry, Madison, Wisconsin. Washing Africa. So I guess these are people from Africa washing clothes in a stream. So 1912 advertising, and that sold for $19.99. So there you have it. Great. I don't really call it a rebound, but just a good day of sales. 356. Okay. I thank you for watching, and hope your sales today are terrific.